Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the calendar upcoming events widget on the standby screen on iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, go into settings. Then in settings, go down and then tap on standby. Make sure standby is turned on. Once it is turned on, you can plug your phone into a charger or a wireless charger and have it standing up on its side. Then we're going to lock the screen. After a few moments, your phone will go into a standby mode. Now in here, you want to swipe across until you find the widget screen. Then touch and hold on the widget. Once you are in editing mode, tap on the add button. Then we go down and tap on calendar. And then swipe until you see it say up next. Then tap on add widget. And that's it. Once it is added to your widget stack, tap on it. And then in here you can choose what you show. So you got here mirror calendar app or hide all the events. So choose what you want to turn on or turn off. If you turn off mirror calendar app, you can then go down and choose what or which calendar to display. And that's it. After that, so I'm just going to make sure that I will mirror my calendar app. And then after that, you can tap on the done button. And here on my widget screen, it will show no events for today. Your day is clear. So if you have a busy calendar schedule, it will show all the events for today on this widget here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.